Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to krabsfx. This is episode 27 of my journey to getting funded with prop firms. So today we're up on the day. We're up about 1.2%. We took some L's this week and then we made it back, pretty much having a break-even week here. If we refresh this, let's see. On the week, it says we're up 1%, but I know that it's like a break-even week. It's just not loading. But yeah, on the day, we're up 1.2%. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, so on the week, we're minus 0.3%, which is basically break-even. So yeah, I'm gonna be breaking down this trade, and yeah, so the account is on 1.8% drawdown. We were minus 3% before, so now we're slowly gonna get this phase one back into profits. But yeah, right here was my US30 trade from today. Pretty much my bias was bullish based on the previous daily candle closing bullish, previous 4-hour candle closing bullish as well. And that gave me my bullish bias. Also, I had liquidity swept right here below the Asia low. We did have some news today. Let's see what it was. The news that caused that was PPI, pretty volatile news. So that caused the Asia low to be swept for liquidity, and also we filled in a daily imbalance with this news. So we had this liquidity swept, and then I had my bullish bias from the higher time frames, the 4-hour and the daily, both closing bullish. Then I saw that the 1-hour here, right at 9:30 a.m. market open, my favorite time to trade is 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. I pretty much saw this 1-hour imbalance here, which is pretty much an imbalance, is basically a fair value gap. But the third candle of the pattern was still active and moving. So this candle right here opened up right here at 9:30 a.m. I was ready right here for my entry. And once price wicked down into here, I entered my long and took price up to buy side liquidity here and secured 70%, and then let my runner run a little bit. But this was good management, closing a partial at this buy side liquidity, because as you can see right here, later I would have gone hit break even. It looks like it would have paid off, but really it would have been a break even if I didn't close any partials. So I secured 1.2% on today with that runner. So yeah, here was the main position. I closed at the buy side liquidity. Then I let my runner run a little bit. The runner ran like something like this. But yeah, 50-point stop here, and that's pretty much this trade. On NASDAQ today, I didn't really see much. We're kind of in the gross area. But yeah, I mean, shorts off this daily imbalance would play out, but that wouldn't be during my time. So yeah, on NAS I didn't really have anything, but US30 had my move today. So yeah, on the account we're in minus 1.8% drawdown, which is nothing significant at all really. Like one trade can get us back to break even. But yeah, next week I gotta stick to my rules better. But let me review my trading journal. I'm gonna pull that up one sec. But yeah, here's the trading journal for this week. We started on the 8th here, that was Monday. So the 8th to the 12th here was this week. We started off on NASDAQ taking some L's here. This was a loss that should have been prevented actually, because as you can see here, I broke my rules. On this one also I felt FOMO. But yeah, this was a very bad re-entry, basically on the same exact setup. So basically I got wicked out of the setup here, then I re-entered once price got back there, and it was just very bad. But yeah, that's a rule I have now, is to never re-enter on the same setup, like the same exact setup. If you get like wicked out, it's better to just wait on the next setup. But yeah, here's the week right here. Should have been green, but I broke my rules here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Break even week, well, a little bit red week, but pretty much break even. Minus 0.35%. But yeah, we're gonna slowly try and push this account back into profits like we were in before. But yeah, let me pull up details. And right now my main focus is just bringing this back to break even and then pushing it into profits. And closing partials is something that I'm gonna keep doing. Closing something at 1-to-1, even if it's just a small position, because in my journal you can see how many break evens I have. And if I secured something at the 1-to-1 RR, that would pay a lot better. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Quick breakdown of the week, of the day, of episode 27 of recording every trade until I'm funded. But yeah, until next time, peace.